In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and holding one of your photos you wish to get rid of. Then to select multiple right away, click on those dots at the top left corners. To keep some, click on the chosen ones, and to delete the rest, use bin button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!